Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 19-gallon hot water heater electric on the market, the Ariston 19-gallon point-of-use electric water heater. If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and energy-efficient solution to your hot water needs, this unit might just be the perfect fit for you. The Ariston 19-gallon electric water heater is designed to deliver stored hot water right where you need it, eliminating the hassle of running long hot water pipes. Whether you want to install it under a sink, in a kitchenette, a basement, or even in an RV or camper, this compact tank provides versatility and convenience for a variety of settings. Its compact design measures just 13.8 inches wide and 16.18 inches high, making it easy to mount on a wall or place in tight spaces without taking up too much room. One of the standout features of this model is its Dura-Glass enameled tank lining. This durable coating protects the interior of the tank from corrosion in high temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The tank is reinforced with a premium-grade anode rod that further extends its lifespan by resisting rust and sediment buildup. So, you can count on consistent hot water delivery and a product that stands the test of time. With a power rating of 1500 watts and running on a standard 120-volt connection, the Ariston 19-gallon water heater is energy efficient, helping to keep your electricity bills down while providing steady, reliable hot water. It offers a temperature range from 90 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize your water temperature easily for comfort and safety. Installation is straightforward, and it's designed with user convenience in mind. You'll find that wiring the electrical connection is simple, and the unit comes with a factory-installed temperature and pressure relief valve, as well as a brass drain valve, making maintenance and safety hassle-free. Plus, it includes optional top and side water connections that measure 3/4 of an inch, which simplifies piping during installation. This water heater works great as a standalone unit, supplying hot water directly at the point of use, or as a booster to your existing water heating system. This flexibility means it's ideal not just for homes but also for commercial settings like offices, small stores, and workshops. It effectively eliminates the wait time for hot water, reduces load on your primary heater, and helps conserve energy by avoiding unnecessary water circulation. Whether you need it for a small property, a pool house, or an RV, the Ariston 19-gallon mini tank fits perfectly. It's compact, versatile, and designed to deliver hot water quickly and efficiently without the need for major plumbing work. Wall or floor mounting options allow you to place it wherever it suits your space best. The unit weighs about 78 pounds, striking a balance between durability and manageability during installation. Its small footprint and smart design mean it can be positioned in a variety of places, under sinks, inside cabinets, or in utility rooms, anywhere you need reliable hot water access without taking up precious space. In summary, the Ariston 19-gallon electric water heater is a premium, space-saving choice for anyone needing efficient, reliable, and flexible hot water delivery in small to medium-sized settings. Its durable construction, ease of installation, and energy-saving features make it a smart investment for both residential and commercial applications. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering an electric water heater for your home or workspace, the Ariston 19-gallon model is definitely worth a close look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed product reviews and insights. See you next time.